selling digital products and education, it doesn't stop. One of the common thing that I hear from someone who've never been into this business or who do not fully understand the kind of business, Sir John, nasa internet na po lahat. Will people buy video courses? Will people buy ebooks? Will people buy audio programs? They can search everything na po sa YouTube. And that is true. There are a lot of information on YouTube. But what they do not understand is the more information po na meron sa internet. Uulitin ko po, every single day there are new information being uploaded, new videos on YouTube. I heard something like parang hours of video being uploaded on YouTube every single minute. It will even more and more to come. And the more information on the internet, the harder it is to find the right information in a complete package. Kaya po, whenever someone says, well, may bibili pa ba niyan, ganyan, lahat nasa internet na, actually, it's completely the opposite. Because the more information, the harder it is to find the right information, the harder it is to find the exact information. And most importantly, the more na dumadami po ang nagko-connect sa internet, the more that we can see this smaller niche market na nung una, hindi mo alam na they exist because walang technology, walang internet. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.